Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best router bits that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Router Bits. One of the most useful tools when it comes to woodwork is a router. Whether you are a professional carpenter or simply getting started on some woodwork projects on your own, a router is likely one of the items on your list for getting your workbench ready. Once you have decided if you want your router to be the basic old-fashioned kind or a heavy-duty power tool. Number 5. Stalwart RBS 024 Router Bit Set 24-piece Kit. Stalwart's carbide-tipped router bits are built to last and are constructed using high-quality materials. Along with a sturdy wooden case, this durable router bit set. Main features: easy to store, multifunctional set, durable construction. Number 4. CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. This professional bottom cleaning router bit is not only perfect for wood slab flattening, resurface or plane the top surface of the spoil board, but also for trimming and slotting/grooving. Main features: cut length 1/2 inch, anti-kickback design, high quality. Number 3. KOWOOD 24X Router Bit Set 1/4 inch Shank. These tongue and groove router bit set is truly versatile for your extra convenience. Works great with woods, MDF, plywood compact panel. 100% satisfaction service. Main features: anti-kickback design, easy to use, boasting alloy blade. Number 2. KOWOOD Tongue and Groove Set of 2 pieces 1/4 inch Shank Router Bit. The included wooden case is sturdy and makes storing the high-quality router bits convenient while in between jobs or DIY home improvement projects. Main features: easy to store and carry, durable steel body, widely application. Number 1. KOWOOD Router Bit Set of 15 pieces 1/4 inch woodwork tools. Boasting alloy blade, balanced craftsmanship and a solid hardened steel bore, these woodworking tools can withstand some heavy-duty use and the test of time. Main features: durable steel body, easy to store and carry, widely applications. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.